we focus on a tutorial question and sets. This is foundational mathematics for those who are doing maybe pre-med or foundational courses at university first year. So here's a question. Define what is meant by a set and state the condition for two elements to be distinct members of a set. All right, let's not even waste time there. All right, a set is a well-defined, we use the word well-defined collection of distinct objects called elements. That's all. So what keywords should you always mention when defining a set? Well-defined and a collection of distinct objects, which we call the elements. Don't forget. All right. Then the same, and state the condition for two elements to be distinct members. Now, two elements are members. Okay. The word distinct means no two elements. All right, in the set are identical. Meaning, for two members to be distinct, meaning they should not be duplicate of each other. Are we there? Meaning no duplication. Are we there? Meaning are not identical. That's all. So in short, elements must not be identical. B. Express the set of all even integers strictly between 1 and 15 using the Luster form. So we're saying set A, this is the Luster form. Okay? All right, so the numbers, even numbers strictly between 1 and 15. So 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. These are even numbers between 1 and 15. Then the other one is number 2, using the set beta notation. So if we're going to use set beta notation, we are going to say x, right, is such that x is an even, it's an integer, yeah, even integer. And I can do this. Yeah, it's fine. And is between 1 and 15. This is more simple. Okay. So x is such that it's an even number. And the same x is between 1 and 15. C. Determine whether sets P and Q are equal. Justify your answer. So what does it mean? Let's first list set P. Set P is x contained in R such that x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So when we look at it, we have x minus 4 squared is equal to 0, meaning x is equal to, if I take this on the other side, this will be plus or minus 2, right? For those who are not aware, I'm just taking this, equal to 4 square root, you find that x is positive or minus root of 4, sorry. Then Q is negative 2 and yeah, and Q they're saying it's negative 2 and 2. Are they equal? Look at the look at what is contained in P. What elements can we get? We can only get two values of P. Negative 1, negative 2, and positive 2. And the Q is also negative 2 and 2. Are they equal? Yes. They are equal. And the reason why is because the sets contain exactly the same elements. Sets contain exactly the same elements. and you are done. And that will give you good 8 marks. So if you're doing pre-med or you're doing an foundation, as long as it's introductory mathematics, physics, or chemistry, let me know. All right, this is my WhatsApp number. I run online classes recorded, just like the one I'm recording this one. You can't find any challenges. All right.